The 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, anti-lock braking system, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, driver airbag, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless entry, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, power door locks, fog lamps, MP3 player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, power windows, backup camera, satellite radio, intermittent wipers. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.